Hello friends, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. In this session, I shall be discussing 10 very important legal questions for Maharashtra CET Law Entrance Examination for the year 2023. But before we begin, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a free workshop on 12th of March at 6 p.m. What is the topic? The topic is what to study and what to skip for CLAT 2023 and 2024. So guys, let's begin. 10 most important questions for Maharashtra CET exam. The Supreme Court judgment in Indra Sahani versus Union of India is popularly known as Ayodhya judgment, Election Commission judgment, Euthanasia judgment, or the Mandal Commission judgment. The correct answer is the Mandal Commission judgment. Okay, so it dealt with reservation. Okay, Indra Sahani versus Union of India was a judgment in which the Supreme Court dealt with reservation. It also said that reservation cannot exceed more than 50%. It's a constitution bench judgment, guys. Moving on to the next question. Who was the first Attorney General of India? C.K. Daftari? No, he was the first Solicitor General of India. Nani Palkiwala? He was a great constitutional lawyer who appeared in Keshwananda Bharati. The third option C, M.C.CET Law. Yes, M.C.CET Law was the first Attorney General of India. Who is the current Attorney General of India? Mr. R. Venkatramani. Very important. Moving on to question number 3. Which union territory has a high court of its own? Now, Punjab and Haryana has a common high court at Chandigarh. Delhi has its own high court. Andaman Nicobar, no, it does not have a high court of its own. The jurisdiction of the Calcutta High Court extends to Andaman and Nicobar. So the correct answer is option B, Delhi. Moving on to question number 4. How many persons are required to constitute an offense of conspiracy? So for the offense of conspiracy, how many people are required? 5, 7, 2, none of the above. Now you cannot conspire with yourself. At least the law says, under the Indian Penal Code, the law says at least there has to be 2 or more than 2 people. So 5, 7, but the least required is at least 2. At least 2. So the correct answer is option C, that is 2. Question number 5. The person who makes an affidavit in a court, who swears in the name of God in the court, is he called the author of the affidavit? Is he called the deponent? Is he called the affidavit? Or none of the above? The correct answer over here is he is called the deponent. So the person who is making an affidavit, he is swearing in a court that thing, that I so and so, son of so and so, do swear in the name of God that I state A, B, C, D, E. He is called the deponent. So the correct answer is option B. Moving on to question number 6. What is that formal instrument by which one person is empowering another person to represent him legally? So what is that instrument called? Is it called a will? No. After I die, I make a will that after I die, whatever is my belongings will go to Mr. A, Mr. Y. Affidavit is a swearing in a court. Option B, power of attorney. You are empowering someone to represent you legally. Okay, so the correct answer is option B. Question number 7. Every dash number of years, the president reconstitutes the Finance Commission. The Finance Commission is done every, how many years? 6 years? 10 years? The correct answer is 5 years. Very good. Nice. Question number 8. The historic Panchayat Raj Bill was adopted by the Parliament by which amendment? So the Panchayati Raj system that we have in India came by virtue of which constitutional amendment? And the correct answer is 73rd constitutional amendment. I'm sure each and every one of you should remember this very important question. Moving on to question number 9. Which of the following is not one of the condition to become a citizen of India? By birth, you can become a citizen of India. By descent, you can become a citizen of India. By naturalization, that means by staying in India for around 11 years, you can become a citizen of India. But you cannot become a citizen of India just by acquiring a property in India. Under the Indian Constitution, it is not one of the conditions by which a person can become a citizen of India, by acquiring property. Okay, so the correct answer is option D. Moving on to question number 10. When does the Comptroller and Auditor General of India retires? Does he retire at the age of 65, after 6 years in office, or 6 years in office, or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier, or both A and B? Now, A is correct, B is correct, but the best answer is option C, 6 years. So if a person is appointed at the age of 63, he retires at the age of 65. But if a person is appointed at the age of 50, he retires at the age of 56. So 6 years in office or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. So the correct answer is option C. I hope you understood it. Right. So guys, before we end, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive course for CLAT 2024, wherein we shall give you 300 plus recorded videos across 5 sections, 300 hours of live classes, 35 mock tests for CLAT and other law entrance examination along with video solutions, monthly e-magazine for current affairs, and the entire content is based on an extensive analysis of the last 5 years of CLAT question paper. So guys, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, do follow us on our Instagram, do like our Facebook page, do join our Telegram channel, and do not forget to download the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. All the very best for your Maharashtra CET exam 2023. Sorry. Bye-bye. Take care.